Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly amass wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Enter the intriguing world of how money makes money. Delve into the enigmatic realm of finance where every dollar has the potential to multiply and grow exponentially. Are you curious to uncover the secrets behind the seemingly magical process of wealth creation? Join us on a thought-provoking journey as we challenge conventional wisdom and explore the mechanisms by which money begets money. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about financial success and embark on a quest for knowledge that could transform your financial future. The notion that money makes money underscores a fundamental truth. Relying solely on trading time for money is unlikely to lead to substantial wealth. No matter how diligently one works, there are inherent limitations to the hours in a day. Unfortunately, time spent on rest, sleep, and other activities doesn't translate into financial gains. However, envisioning money as an employee offers an intriguing alternative perspective. Unlike human employees, money doesn't require breaks, sleep, or a salary. Instead, it can work continuously, tirelessly generating income around the clock throughout the year. This concept opens up a realm of possibilities for individuals seeking financial independence. By understanding how to make money work for them, individuals can break free from the constraints of traditional employment. Rather than being confined to a fixed income determined by hourly wages or salaries, they can explore avenues where their money earns money passively. High-yield savings accounts serve as a foundational step in this journey. By parking surplus funds in these accounts, individuals can benefit from higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts, allowing their money to grow while awaiting investment opportunities. This strategy lays the groundwork for more sophisticated investment ventures such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, where the potential for exponential growth is greater. In essence, mastering the art of making money work for you involves shifting from a mindset of labor-centric income to one of wealth generation through strategic financial decisions. It's about recognizing that money, when managed wisely, can be a powerful tool for creating lasting prosperity and financial freedom. Embracing the philosophy that money makes money can revolutionize one's approach to wealth accumulation. Rather than solely relying on active income earned through labor, individuals can harness the power of passive income streams to amplify their financial resources. One pivotal strategy in this pursuit is maximizing retirement accounts such as 401ks and IRAs. These retirement accounts offer a structured framework for long-term wealth accumulation. A 401k is typically provided by an employer, enabling individuals to contribute pre-tax dollars towards investments in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The tax advantages of these contributions, coupled with potential employer matching, make 401ks a cornerstone of retirement planning. By starting early and contributing consistently, individuals can capitalize on the power of compounding to build a substantial nest egg for their future. In addition to 401ks, individual retirement arrangements, IRAs, provide another avenue for retirement savings. With options including traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs, individuals can choose the best fit for their financial goals and tax circumstances. Traditional IRAs allow for tax-deferred growth, while Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement, making them attractive options for those anticipating higher tax brackets in the future. The significance of these retirement accounts lies in their ability to facilitate disciplined long-term investing. By automating contributions and diversifying investments, individuals can mitigate risk while positioning themselves for steady wealth accumulation over time. Moreover, employer-sponsored 401k matching programs and tax advantages further enhance the growth potential of these accounts. In essence, mastering the art of retirement investing entails strategic planning, disciplined contributions, and a long-term perspective. By leveraging retirement accounts effectively, individuals can lay a robust foundation for financial security and independence in their golden years. Another avenue for generating passive income and maximizing wealth is through the stock market. While it may seem daunting to some, investing in stocks offers unparalleled opportunities for long-term growth and wealth accumulation. Contrary to popular belief, successful stock market investing does not require constant monitoring or day trading. Instead, adopting a buy-and-hold strategy allows investors to capitalize on the market's inherent tendency to appreciate over time. By purchasing quality stocks or diversified exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and holding onto them for the long term, investors can benefit from the compounding effect of reinvested dividends and capital appreciation. Moreover, investing in the stock market provides individuals with exposure to a wide range of industries and sectors, thereby diversifying their investment portfolio and mitigating risk. Through prudent research and selection, investors can identify companies with strong fundamentals, sustainable competitive advantages, and growth potential, positioning themselves for lucrative returns over time. Furthermore, advancements in financial technology have democratized access to the stock market, allowing individuals to invest with ease through online brokerage platforms and mobile apps. Robo-advisors, powered by sophisticated algorithms, offer automated portfolio management services tailored to investors' goals and risk tolerance, further simplifying the investment process. Ultimately, mastering the art of stock market investing entails patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset. By consistently contributing to a well-diversified portfolio of stocks or ETFs, individuals can harness the wealth-building potential of the market and achieve their financial goals. Whether investing independently or with the assistance of robo-advisors, the stock market presents an accessible and rewarding avenue for passive income generation and long-term wealth creation. Investing in real estate offers another avenue for passive income generation and wealth accumulation. Unlike other investment vehicles, real estate provides tangible assets that can appreciate in value over time while generating steady rental income. One of the primary ways to make money in real estate is through property appreciation. Properties located in high-demand areas or those undergoing development typically experience appreciation in value over time. By strategically investing in properties with potential for growth and improvement, investors can capitalize on this appreciation and realize substantial returns on their investment. Additionally, rental income serves as a reliable source of cash flow for real estate investors. By renting out residential or commercial properties to tenants, investors can generate consistent monthly income while covering expenses such as mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. Moreover, rental income has the potential to increase over time, providing investors with a reliable stream of passive income. Furthermore, real estate investment offers numerous tax advantages, including deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, depreciation, and operating expenses. These tax benefits can significantly reduce investors' taxable income and increase their overall returns on investment. Moreover, advancements in technology have made real estate investing more accessible and efficient than ever before. Crowdfunding platforms allow individuals to invest in real estate projects with relatively small amounts of capital, diversifying their investment portfolio and minimizing risk. Overall, investing in real estate offers investors the opportunity to build wealth through property appreciation, rental income, and tax advantages. By carefully selecting properties, leveraging financing options, and diversifying their portfolio, investors can create a lucrative source of passive income and achieve long-term financial success. Investing in the stock market presents another avenue for individuals to make their money work for them and generate passive income. Rather than solely relying on traditional savings accounts or bonds, investing in stocks offers the potential for significant long-term growth and wealth accumulation. One of the primary strategies for making money in the stock market is adopting a buy-and-hold approach. This strategy involves purchasing stocks with strong growth potential and holding on to them for an extended period, typically years or even decades. By investing in fundamentally sound companies with competitive advantages, investors can benefit from capital appreciation as the value of their shares increases over time. Moreover, dividend investing is another popular method for generating passive income from stocks. Many companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, investors can earn regular income payments without selling their shares. Dividend income can provide a reliable source of cash flow, which can be reinvested to purchase additional shares or used to cover living expenses. Furthermore, advancements in financial technology have democratized access to the stock market through the rise of online brokerage platforms and robo-advisors. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, low fees, and automated portfolio management services, making it easier than ever for individuals to start investing in stocks. Additionally, diversification is key to successful stock market investing. By spreading investments across different sectors, industries, and asset classes, investors can mitigate risk and maximize potential returns. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds offer convenient ways to achieve diversification by pooling investors' money and investing in a broad range of assets. Overall, investing in the stock market provides individuals with the opportunity to build wealth, generate passive income, and achieve their long-term financial goals. With careful research, prudent investment strategies, and a long-term perspective, investors can harness the power of the stock market to make their money work for them. Starting your own business is another powerful way to make your money work for you and generate passive income. While entrepreneurship requires significant upfront effort and investment, it offers the potential for substantial long-term rewards and financial independence. One of the key advantages of owning a business is the ability to create multiple streams of income. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or generating revenue through advertising and affiliate marketing, a successful business can generate income from various sources, diversifying your revenue streams and increasing your overall earning potential. Moreover, with the advent of e-commerce and digital marketing, launching a business has become more accessible than ever before. Online platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon provide entrepreneurs with the tools and resources needed to start and scale their ventures from the comfort of their own homes. Additionally, social media platforms offer powerful marketing channels for reaching and engaging with potential customers worldwide. Furthermore, passive income can be generated through various business models such as dropshipping, print-on-demand, and affiliate marketing. These models allow entrepreneurs to leverage existing infrastructure and resources to generate revenue without the need for significant ongoing involvement or overhead costs. Additionally, investing in existing businesses as a silent partner or angel investor can provide passive income opportunities. By providing capital to established businesses in exchange for a share of the profits or equity stake, investors can benefit from ongoing cash flow and potential capital appreciation without the day-to-day responsibilities of running the business. Overall, starting a business offers individuals the potential to achieve financial freedom and autonomy by making their money work for them. With the right idea, strategy, and execution, entrepreneurship can be a rewarding path to passive income and long-term wealth accumulation.